Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, our goal is give a new look to one of my PS4 controllers. Looking at the controller in red color give me an idea. So our job today is make that happen. As always, have a seat, relax, and stick around to see the final result. So, first, let's disassemble the entire controller. After we're done with the disassemble, let's wash some of the plastic parts to prepare them to the next step. And the next step is prep them to some paint. And for that, we're gonna pass a scuff pad on the front and the back plastic. And finally, after that, we can start the paint. First, a couple coats of white primer. And now, while the primer is dry, let's prepare some spider webs in the computer to quickly cut them in vinyl. After that done, we can start apply them on the front of the controller. And with all the vinyl spiderwebs applied, we can now add some layers of red color. Meanwhile, for the back of the controller, we're gonna use some metallic blue. After the paint dry, we can remove the vinyl and see the final result. But, however, the final result isn't too good, and also the color looks too bright for what I have imagined. So, we're gonna repeat the process with some changes. Let's sand this paint and start all over again. This time I will use first a black base color. And after apply the vinyl spider webs once again, give it a really light coat of red. For the rear, we're gonna finish it up with a couple coats of clear. And now, for the second time, after all dry, we can remove the vinyl and finally reveal the spider webs. And I think this time the result is much more smoother and good looking too. For the touchpad, that I almost forgot, we're gonna apply a vinyl spider mask and give it a white paint splatters to create also a cool effect. And for that, I will use a toothbrush. And after remove the last piece of vinyl, this paint process is finally complete. Now, before start to reassemble it, let's give the interior parts a quick clean. And after that, finally we are ready to finish this project. Let's rush and reassemble this controller once again. With the controller reassembled once again, the final touch is a 3D printed stand, and this project is finished. And this is it. A simple project with a PS4 controller. Nothing too fancy, just a quick simple customization. And as always, I hope you enjoyed this quick project. If you want to see more, please consider subscribe, leave a like, comment and also share this video. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.